Are you looking for the best investment app to help you grow your money? I'll tell you a few things while I'm driving over here. Now, this video is not for financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So I'm gonna tell you something. If you want to start investing but you don't know where to begin, apps can be a great way to get started, you know. Like one of the top apps that has gained popularity is Groww, with two W's at the end, which is known for its user-friendly interface and simple investment options. Now in this video, we're going to talk about why Groww is a great app for growing your wealth and how it can help you to get started on your investment journey. So here are some key features, okay, of Groww that make it stand out. So first thing is that it's easy to use. You know, Grow's simple design makes it easy for beginners to invest in mutual funds and stocks and in ETFs. Second thing is there's low fees. It offers low or no commission fees. So that means like you keep more of your returns. You got diverse investment options. So you can invest in stocks, mutual funds, and ETFs all in one place. That's the third thing. Fourth thing is that systematic investment plans, you know, the SIPs are in there. So basically Groww allows you to invest a fixed amount every month, helping you build your wealth over time. And you could also track your portfolio. So Groww helps you to keep track of investments and their performance with real-time updates. All right. So if you're ready to grow your money, Groww, two W's, is a great place to start. And if you like this video, leave me a like. I love you.